Once, Jesus told a story about a father who had two sons. They lived on a beautiful farm filled with fields, animals, and laughter. The younger son, however, grew restless. He didn't want to stay home anymore. He wanted to live life his own way. One day he went to his father and said, "Father, give me my share of the inheritance now." Though it broke his heart, the father agreed. He divided his wealth, and the younger son packed his things and left for a faraway land. At first, life seemed amazing. The young man spent his money on parties, new clothes, and friends who loved to have fun. But soon, the money was gone, and so were his friends. Then a terrible famine hit the land. The young man was hungry and alone. He found a job feeding pigs, but he was so hungry he wished he could eat the pigs' food. That's when he realized how far he had fallen. He thought, "Even my father's servants have food to spare. I'll go home and tell my father I've sinned. Maybe he'll let me work as one of his servants." So he began the long walk home, tired, ashamed, and afraid. While he was still far away, his father saw him and ran. He ran down the road, arms open wide, and hugged his son tightly. The son began to say, "Father, I'm sorry. I'm not worthy to be your son." But the father interrupted with joy. "Quick, bring the best robe. Put a ring on his hand and sandals on his feet. My son was lost, but now he's found." They celebrated with music and dancing, but not everyone was happy. The older brother felt jealous and refused to join the party. The father gently said, "My son, everything I have is yours. But we must celebrate, because your brother was lost and now he's found." This story reminds us that God's love never gives up on us. No matter how far we wander, He's always ready to forgive, to welcome us home, and to celebrate our return.